Bar owners, most of your policies have a firearms exclusion, and you may want to look at getting an active assailant coverage added to your policy. Now, this is always a tough topic, but stay to the end of the video and I'll give you everything you need to know. My name is Lars Christensen, aka The Insurance Agent. I specialize in the hospitality industry, brokering insurance for nightclubs, bars, and live music venues. Now, if you read the news over the last few years, you've definitely seen the increase of active shooters going into nightclubs and injuring and killing people. So how do insurance carriers respond to this? They don't want to pay out, so they put on a firearms exclusion to your policy. Most hospitality policies now have this exclusion on it. So how do you cover it? We have in the industry what's called an active assailant coverage or policy that is a standalone policy that can make up for this. So if some whack job comes off the street, gets into your club with a firearm and starts shooting the place up, you can have coverage. How does this affect you and is it recommended? Well, in insurance, we are the business of what ifs. What I can tell you is that we've seen it all, and so have the insurance carriers. We've seen things as little as a patron throwing a cue ball at somebody's head to the more severe instances where firearms are involved and people get killed. So it's up to you as the bar owner if you want this coverage. It's something that specialized agents do have access to. Now, whether you get approved or declined, that really depends on the insurance carrier, the program, and your operations. However, it is definitely something to consider adding to your policy to replace that firearms exclusion. Now, if you want to learn more about this, you can always find my information below. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you need to understand more about your bar insurance, find you in the next video.